Loading the ToughStripe applicator is simple. Unlock the cartridge using the lever, lift it out of the base, and place it on a flat surface. Rotate and remove the yellow tightening disc. Push your tape roll onto the spindle with the leading edge coming from the bottom of the roll. Turn the spindle with your hand to unroll a short length of tape. If your tape has a liner, flip the locking bar open. Peel back the liner from the tape and slide it under the locking bar. Flip the liner locking bar closed and turn the tape spindle to make sure the liner is collected. Slide the tightening disc back on and rotate until it locks, securing the tape. Lower the cartridge back into the base and lock it. Tack your tape into position and roll the applicator forward until it contacts the tamping wheel. Now you can begin to lay down your tape. Straighter lines in less time with the ToughStripe floor tape applicator.